Hey everyone! In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to view pinned chat messages on Facebook Messenger. Just watch this video till the end. This is just a quick video tutorial. For additional information about pinned chat conversations, please check out our blog post on techunow.com. Pinned messages are messages that you've chosen to keep in the different folder to access them easily at any time. This can be useful for important messages, reminders, or any other message that you want to keep easily accessible. Since you can pin a maximum of 50 messages in a chat, there is no way you will find them all at the top. Hence, finding pinned chats is tricky if you don't know how. Remember that you can still find all of them by scrolling through your chats. However, this will take time. Therefore, in this video, I'll show you how to find pinned messages in Facebook Messenger using both the mobile app and the desktop web. First, let's start to find pinned messages on mobile app. For that, first, open the Messenger app and tap on the conversation where you think the pinned message is located. Now, tap on the person profile picture or info icon at the top of the screen. Now, you will see the View Pinned Messages option under the More Actions section. Tap on that. You will see all the pinned chats from that conversation to date in one place. They will be arranged from top to bottom in the new to old order. Tap on any message if you want to view. Now, to find pinned messages in Facebook Messenger on desktop. First, go to messenger.com using a web browser and log into your account. After that, click on the conversation where you think the pinned message is located. Now, click on the three dots from the top right corner. Then, from the right-hand panel, press the chat info. Finally, select the View Pinned Messages option to find all pinned chats in a single folder. This is exactly how you can view pinned messages on Messenger. If you have any questions or confusion about this topic, please let me know in the comments section below. And if you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial and tips videos like this.